How to create a group on GroupMe. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to make a new group on your GroupMe application, the steps are quite easy. First of all, just launch your application and log in using your credentials. On the bottom right corner, you will see a pen-like icon. Tap on it and tap on Group. Now you will see a new interface from where you can create a new group. First of all, you have to provide the group name and then give a description regarding it. It can be optional. Now tap on the tick item and you can add avatar to your group as well. After that, tap on the right or the tick option which is on the top right. Now you can add the members to the group, or you can also copy the link by tapping on the share button and then send it to your friends to add. Or you could skip it as well. Now in advanced settings, you can change the privacy settings, visibility, your customization of the group, and select the emoji as well. And once it's done, your group is successfully created. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.